Hi family, it's UpDo time. So what are we gonna do? Wash my hair with Shea Moisture Conditioner and Shampoo for color here. As you can see, my red is growing out. And of course, Family Hair Care, the star of my hair. And it smells so good, so good. And as you can see, these jars come full to the top, full. And we are not wasting that, no. And next, water and my edge tamer, since I'm doing the updo. So basically, I spray my hair with water and try to get the moisture back in. Since it's wash, it usually gets dry so quick. So I love to add water to my hair before I add Family Hair Care. I add some Family Hair Care, but a dime size again. I use a dime size and I work it all around my hair, especially the edges, because I need my updo to stay up. And as I go around my head, I add more Family Hair Care. Get some on the ends, work it through, and then I get my edge tamer and just work in the, because I need again my hair to stay up. I get my silk scarf and I give it a nice tight tie so that the edges can stay put. I know you guys can't see my gray hair because that's why I like to use a scarf to keep them down, to tame those little grays. So as I work my scarf into my hair, I make sure that the top is out, because this is where I'm going to add more Family Hair Care. And I do a twist. I call them crazy twists, because my updos are not perfect. Whatever I get, I wear. But I do love updos, especially with Family Hair Care, because my hair stays in place. So right now I'm adding some twists to my hair, not parting, just pulling out parts of my hair so that my twists can be full. So I go around my head and I add these little twists. I tuck the ends away so that they're not straight. I love my ends to be curly, so I do a twirl at the end of all my twists. So I repeat this about 3-4 times around my head so that all my head is covered in these little crazy twists for my updo. And I add more product as needed. The back gets dry pretty quick, so sometimes I work back in product in the back of my hair. As you see, I'm working more product in the front and retwisting so that I can get a nice curl in the front of my hair when I remove the scarf. And this the one that I'm working with now, it is a little thick, so I might have to retwist that one again. We'll see. But this is how it looks. My crazy twist for my updo. Bye. And here I am, ready to show you how I get my updo. So I'm going to remove the scarf, and the great thing about Family Hair Care is you can do it right before you're ready to walk out the door, and you are going to have some fabulous hair. So I'm untwisting all my little crazy twists, As you can see, the sides are all in from the scarf, laying it down. And this is my double side comb. I put one on the left, stretch it over, and put one on the right, and then I work it into my hair, and I start to fluff. And I like to fluff with my fingers because I feel like it's getting it gets to the root. And I also add a side comb. I call these side combs. I'm not sure what other people call them, just combs. But I have a couple of them for my updos, so I add to my hair as well. So here I'm fluffing. Add another side comb on the right. There's one on the left, so here there's one on the right. And fluff again with my hands. And I usually have a pick. If I want it to be really full, I'll pick my hair. But I'm using my fingers and some clips, some pins, so that all those little parts where are gonna fall over as my hair is growing, I like to add bobby pins and pin them here, pin them there, so that I can get a nice shape. So here I am, fluffing, pulling, tucking, so that my updo is fabulous. My edge tamer with some product, because as you're playing around with the top, the size, here we are, gray stay in place. So here I am, taming those grays and my edges and fluffing. And this is how I get my updos. They're so easy. So like I said, you can be ready with family hair care. Doesn't take you that long. My hair is still a little damp, but as you can see, curls, and they're in place, and that's all that matters. That my curls are shiny, my curls are fluffed out and ready to go. All thanks to Family Hair Care. Love it. And there are some spots I'm seeing that can use a little fluff, and here I am fluffing, tucking, pushing it in, so, but these are my curls. These are Family Hair Care curls, shiny and in place, and protects my color. And that's what I love. My color is not dry, my color stays moisturized, and our edges are in place. And hair is happy hair. Thanks for Family Hair Care.